Are you suffering from severe hip joint pain due to AVN, ankylosing spondylitis, or arthritis? And AMP, are you planning for a total hip replacement? Do you know traditional posterior hip replacements patients have higher risk of hip ball dislocations, legs becoming permanently unequal and AMP, lifetime precautions, and even a large 25 cm painful incision? Did you know that direct anterior total hip replacement is the world's most modern and advanced technique at present? With anterior total hip replacement, there's zero precautions after surgery, no hip dislocations and assured equal leg length. Direct anterior hip replacement is true MIS, with fast recovery, zero pain, zero muscle damage, small 8 cm surgical incision, no chances of hip dislocation, no restrictions later and equal leg length. Meet Dr. Vikas Jain, one of the best anterior total hip replacement surgeons in India. Dr. Vikas Jain is also one of the highest rated joint replacement surgeons online by patients. Thousands of patients from across India have already benefited with anterior total hip replacement technique. Contact us today. For more details, please visit www.thejointsurgeon.in or call +91 776054734 The Joint Surgeon Center, Indore, India.